Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create a PowerPoint presentation right from your mobile phone using Canva. So let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. In the search bar at the top, type something like business presentation to find ready-made templates. Select a template you like, and Canva will open it for editing. Now tap on any text box to add your own content. You can also adjust the font, size, or color from the toolbar below. Next, to replace images, tap on the image, go to More and tap Replace Background, and choose a new one from your Gallery section. You can also adjust its position or transparency if needed. If you want to make your slides more dynamic, tap Animate at the bottom and pick any effect. To apply it to all slides, just tap Apply to all pages. Once everything looks good, tap the Share icon and tap Download, then select PowerPoint PPT or your preferred format. Canva will prepare your presentation file for download. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.